and this is our WordPress page. So let's first start modifying from our home page. So just simply click on edit with Elementor. So it's rightly open. Here is our notification. You can just simply skip this, and this is what we are going to modify. So we'll start from changing the name first. This is not a Wilson Brooks website. This is for Anita, our client. So we'll just simply type Anita Malhotra. You should be, giving your client name and everything, right? It's all yours now. Next, I'm going to change this image. So just first select the image, and that's going to show you this edit image over here. Let us select this choose image. That's going to open this insert media over here. You can always upload. I'm going to upload, but if you don't have image, if you are just simply practicing this, you can always switch to this search image and you can type something over here. So let's say you are typing something like portrait. That's going to show you all these different images. I'm going to filter it out with transparent PNG, so that it only shows portrait of those transparent images, and I'm going to put that over here. So if I refresh this, whatever it will show, I'm going to put that over here. So you can see this image is a transparent image, right? So we want it to be replaced with some image which has no background. So all this it is showing. You can see. So you can select something and click on medium and click on insert. So you can see that image is replaced with this, right? Similarly, you can also do for practicing. I'm going to import files. I'll go to my pics folder and I'm going to import this pic. So this is what I have generated from AI Gemini, and I have removed the background and I have made it like this. So I'm going to open that image. I'm going to select it, and you can see that is rightly added over here. But it is way bigger than expected, right? So you need to go to style, you just simply refresh it by just going to style, and you can see it is properly shown over here, but it is still a little bigger, right? We need it something around here. So to change this width, and we'll make it something around over here. That looks fine. So if you save this and go to your tab and just simply refresh this now, it's going to show you Anita Malhotra properly, right? Now let's continue making it our own. So I'll first select this section and I'll go to style, and here in background when you click on this color, and we'll make it a bit violetish. So I'll switch to violet, and I'm going to make something like this. So this looks fine for me. Initially I thought to make it black, but this is fine. I'll just simply publish it. And if I just simply refresh it, this is how it looks right now. So all this green I'm going to change this button as well, but this is how it looks. You can make anything. You can also try with blacks that was there initially, or you can make it something like this as well. So whichever you like. Maybe this is much better than the earlier. If you publish this and just refresh, this is how it is. So whichever you like. Okay, I'll proceed with this only, and I'm going to change this button now. So I need to first select this button. As you hover on this, you will get this button coming over here, or you can also select it from here like this button. Then you have to switch to style, and you can change this color to again to something violetish. So like this. You need to also change the color of hover as well. So that is also green right now. So if you hover over this button, you can see it is still green coming, right? So you need to change this color as well. I'll make it this. So it need to look like this as you hover on it. Next, you can change something about me from here. So just select that, and you can update it, all of that over here. So I'll just simply Google something, write something about me. I am a software engineer. So Google Gemini is going to write it from you. So let's copy something from here and place it over here. Select it and paste it over here. So I'm a software engineer with over 10 years of experience in .NET technologies, mainly C#, ASP.NET, blah blah blah, WebAPI, and finally ASP.NET code as well. So you can write something like this. You can add your client picture or your picture if you are building it for yourself, and then you can move on. So why work with me? Again, if you want to change anything, you can always change it over here. It's totally your wish. You can change this color. Again, we are making it violet, so you need to make it something in sync, right? So you can select that, or style, to open icon, and then you need to change this to violet. You can always copy this hex code, and you can use it in all the places. So all these 3 points, like tailored design, then user-centric approach, or trending technologies, everything is fine. You can always edit all these points by just simply select it. I'm going to show you how you can even add new points. So like you need to select any of the element and then right click, and you can just simply duplicate it. So when you duplicate it, it's going to add one more point. You can see adding, right? So you can modify this. So just select that, and you can modify this, and you can maybe type like you love taking ownership, so ownership and accountability. And you can always write something about it over here. So like you can type I don't stop at my part. Works, I take responsibility. From design to deployment. And then I do not stop there. I also monitor on every iteration. So you can write anything. I'm just giving a demo how you do it. Next is again this icon color. We don't want it to be like that. We want it to be our color violet, that is. You can change this icon as well. You need to just click on icon library and you can choose anything from here, right? So let's select something like communication, insert. It is directly replaced. Next is we need to change the color. Obviously it will not be green. Similarly, you can always change all these colors to make it sync with your website. And obviously you can write your own points. I just show how you duplicate one of the stuff and you can modify as per your requirement. Next, moving on, we have this section. Again, it has projects. I recommend you to show your projects. That going to only help getting more clients. So again, maybe ask Gemini alternative of this phrase. So just paste this and ask give me alternative of this phrase. So you can give something like transforming brands with innovative design solutions. You can just replace that with this new point, and you can see, but it's little lengthy. So I may be selecting h3 tag. H3 is, oh no, h3 is too small. Or I can go to style and maybe in advance I can just simply increase this width a little so that it fits in two lines, in couple of lines. So like click on publish and let's check all that out now that we have just now modified. Just refresh, and it is coming nice and sound, right? So a lot of work still left, including logo, then, and I'm going to import all these projects that I have created, so those files. All right, so I'm just selecting, I'm going to open that. You should be having your own projects and your own project screenshot. You can just add that. Okay, I'm just giving a demo how you add those projects, how to showcase your projects basically to your website. So that is what I am showing you, but you should be doing your own projects. So all of my projects are actually uploaded. I'm going to select each of the project. Click on select, you can see that project is actually added over here. So I'll also change this, choose image from my media library. I'm going to import next project. So similarly, I'll continue repeating the same steps. So we have added these 4 projects. Maybe you want to duplicate one of the projects and you would like to show not just 4 projects, you might want to show 6 projects. So how you do that? So this time it only shows 4, but how to show 6 projects? So you need to duplicate one of these elements. So right click and just duplicate it. So that's going to give you new space, right? So it's a duplicate of these QR code projects that I've created. So now you can select this project and you can change this with again something yours. So I'll select this. You can see it is now added. Similarly, I also going to duplicate this and going to add one more project just for demonstration. So here I can again choose and change it with some of my another project, and it is rightly done. Next is you need to give your project name. So this project name will go by Python face detector. This project will go by name of handwritten text to handwritten script from text using Python. You can add a description also. Okay, so you can just copy any stuff from here. Just a demonstration I'm showing you. So anything you copy and you can just put something. So you can just simply ask Gemini to write something about this. So it's going to write you some stuff. So just simply copy it and paste it over here. You can see it is coming, right? Second, it's totally your wish. I just show you how you do that. Okay, as a demonstration. I'm going to delete that and I'm going to continue modifying my QR code as well. QR code project in Python. This project is resume builder project using Python. Then remove background of an image using Python, then this one is pip versus UV using Python, not using, with respect to Python package manager. Next you can update your button. Just click on the button and go to style, and you can change this color from green to something violet. Right. Next we also have this icon. So this icon color is not looking good. We need to again go to icon and change this color to something violet. So I'll keep on doing the same for all these different projects. So everything is rightly done. Just simply click on publish. You can also modify this text. So this is not 2022 right now, right? It is 2025. So you can maybe give 2023 replaced with 2025. So these are some of the selected work from 2022 to 2025 during this period. So you can maybe modify that and click on publish. And by the way, you can also change this project year as well. So these are all not 2023, right? So some are maybe 2025, some are maybe 2024, again some are maybe 2022, some are 2023, some are again 2025, this one as well 2025. So you need to modify it as per your requirement. So I'll publish this and I'm going to refresh and see how it looks right now, especially this section. So see, transforming bands with innovative design solution, selected works from 2022 to 2025, and then our projects. Nice.